Hello and welcome to this project on bird species prediction. So in this project, we will create a convolutional neural network, that is a CNN, and it will be able to predict a species of a bird with the image that we supply to it. So what we'll do, we will use different layers and other hyperparameters for building, training and testing this multi-class classification model. And in this project, we will be using Keras. So the steps we need to make this CNN or to solve this problem are, firstly I'll show you how you can mount your Google Drive on your with your Colab notebook. This is important because after this you don't need to download the data locally on your system. You can just uh, connect your drive to your Google Colab. We will visualize the images that we will be working on. After that, we will analyze the dimensions to verify if all the images have same dimensions or not. The next step would be converting these images into a NumPy array and we will normalize them. After that, we will check for class imbalance, if all the classes have same data or not, all the classes have same images or not, same number of images. After that, we will split the data and perform one hot encoding on the target data. Next, we will create the model architecture. We'll compile the model and then we fit the model. After that, we'll plot the accuracy and the loss against each epoch. Then we will pre-process the test data and make predictions on it. And in the end, we will visualize the original and predicted label for one of the test image. So this project, it can be used for educational purposes because it will get you a better idea of how you can create a CNN. You can further hyperparameter tune the model we will create to reach a higher accuracy or to avoid overfitting. It can be used by bird sanctuaries to identify different types of birds also. So let's start this project in the Google Colab. For this project,